Let's learn about mapping a garden using coordinates. Sarah is designing a garden. She places a rose bush at 1, 4 and a tulip at 1, -3. What is the distance between the rose bush and the tulip? Let's make a coordinate plane right here. A little sketch to help us. We have our x and y. The rose bush is at 1, 4. So when x is 1, our y is a 4 right there. And we have the rose bush. Right there, rose bush. The tulip is at 1, -3. X is 1, y is a -3. Right there. And that's our tulip. So this gets us a little sketch of what's going on. These points are vertically aligned, and we can see that by they share the same x value. So we want to find the difference of the y values here. So to do that, we take our first y value, 4, we're going to put it in an absolute value, subtract the second y value, which is -3. Close the absolute value. Now we're finding the distance. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So 4 plus 3 is a 7. And the absolute value of 7 is still a +7. And so the distance between the rose bush and the tulip is 7 units. I hope you learned something here about mapping a garden using coordinates. And as always, thanks for watching.